BNSF fam. We got a train over here in Mukilteo. Again. Probably 15-20 minutes after the last one. Another intermodal, I think. Yeah. Funny thing, we're on a different part of the scenic sub that gets manifest trains, and we don't get any manifest trains. I think they're crossing over. Taking them a second to get over here. Ooh, the Heritage One in the second position. I wonder who it could be. 6510 and 1035. Yeah, pretty sure they're crossing over. That's kind of funny. A lot of MOL today. Funny thing is, we don't see many of these containers, and yet the only place they can go is our subdivision. Scenic sub. A lot of you new Yangming containers. A lot of old ones too. Okay, and then we got our back locomotives coming up soon. From here they both look orange, but there could be something. Or 3921 and 6010. Okay, that was a intermodal at Mukilteo. Thanks for watching.